Cold world. Yeah. Let me take y'all back, man.
Hey everyone, Dominique here, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell for every time I do upload. So today's video, I will be going by hand, making it as I go, and I really do hope you all enjoy. But right now in my head, I'm thinking of some type of Joker type things, or maybe even tropical, but it will be a lot of color. So if you're ready, stick with me, and I hope you enjoy this makeup tutorial. One more quick note, the palette that I will be using today from all of the colors will come from this 32 Perfect Colors eyeshadow palette by Nicka K New York, and it looks like so. So this is the only palette that I will be using, so if anyone is interested by, go right on ahead. It's from my local beauty supply store. I believe I paid maybe $4.99 or $5.99 for 32 colors, and the quality is everything. So let's get going. everyone, this is the ending result of the look. I said I was going to go a little bit jokerish or maybe tropical, but I feel like I just went way off. Maybe it is a mix with joker and tropical because of the green and the purple and then the blue water. And anyways, I really do hope you guys like this look. On the lips I was showing was a color that I got from Shop Miss A. It's the color shade, which was this brown shade. And I also use a NYX lingerie color, and this is the color is corset. Try to go for a nude, you know, little dark nude lip. The highlight that is beaming on my nose at the moment is also Shop Miss A product, AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter in the color Macaroon. I'm glistening right now. Setting spray set for me because I'm looking a little bit like I'm oily, which I'm not. But anyways, you guys, let me, you know, shift different angles. Let me go closer. There we go. And with the lids, I made sure I did my best in blending, morphing those colors together. And if on the eyelashes, I don't have anything on but mascara. That's all. A little close up. And that's all. Let's get that lighting back right, shall we? You'll think it is back right. Is it back right? I think so. But ooh, that was off. But anyways, you guys, this is the ending result. And the brushes that I was showing are my new brushes. I used probably the last 2-3 videos, maybe 2. It's also from Shop Miss A. It was a 10 brush set. All eyelash, not eyelash, but eyeshadow brushes and highlighter and etc. I really like it, like I said before. But anyways, you guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this makeup look, this makeup tutorial using only one palette, a drugstore palette. I think it was $5.99 by Nicka K. Very inexpensive. And yeah, right, everyone, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to look at the description box and also follow me on all my social medias, my Snapchat and my Instagram. It is displayed in the intro video, but I'll always put it down in the description box. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask, because I always answer love and likes and etc. Anyways, I can't explain it enough. Thank you so much for watching and stick with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comments, share, and see you all in my next video.